Question 12. What is the angle at C? Right, the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Right, no matter what triangle it is, the inside angles 1, 2, and 3 always add up to 180 degrees. So in this triangle, see that there, that's the symbol for a right angle, and that's 90 degrees. So it's 90 and 23, and this angle marked theta. So 90 plus 23 plus the angle at marked theta, or at C, must equal 180 degrees. So 90 and 23 is 113 degrees plus theta must equal 180 degrees. So take away 113 from both sides by throwing across the 113 and changing its sign. So 180 take away 113 leaves us with 67. So theta, or the angle at C, this is the angle at C, angle at corner C is 67 degrees.